Surprises.
Apparently, we're like some kind of berry, like a peach. When you eat the flesh of a peach, there's a bit inside. This is the core, as I understand it. Well, I guess we're berries indeed, and we have a bit inside of us, but it can be planted anywhere.
Oh my god, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Why are there so many idiots around me?
That's an interesting theory.
Yeah, why don't you just call Earth and she'll explain everything to us?
Good thinking. Earth, 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 Earth. We need your help.
What kind of help? Remember how we warmed the sun? Of course I remember. How can I forget that? I launched a rocket into the sun. It's so good he doesn't remember that. No, Earth. I remember everything. I have a burn because of you.
I didn't know we have someone dumber than Mars in our galaxy.
To be honest, neither did I. So, this is where we left off. Of course I remember how we ignited the sun.
After that, you said about some cores inside us. And that thanks to them, we warmed the sun. What are these cores?
Yes, we are really curious about that. Well, it's simple. We are made of several layers, and we have a kind of a ball inside us. Well, it's about like us, but smaller. So this ball creates heat for our outer layers. It might seem strange to think about it, but it's true. This is somewhat like a bit in a berry.
Didn't I tell you guys? Told you, and you didn't believe me. And Mars even calls me an idiot.
You're partially right. Our cores are different from pits because they are liquid, just like melted cheese. That's why lava flows from volcanoes only sometimes.
One day it's a berry pet, the next day it's melted cheese. We are not even planets anymore. We are food.
Oh, Mars, I told you. Shut your mouth and don't ever open it. So, that's how I met Exo Earth and Exo Moon. They are nice guys, just like us, but greener. Wow, that must have been really cool. Yeah, I kinda liked it.
Hello, my friends.
Hi, Jupiter. Oh, hello, Jupiter. Excuse me for being rude, but are you going through puberty?
What? What do you mean?
What's that pimple you have?
Wow, I didn't even see that. What is that?
Let's go ask the others what it could be. Jupiter, why are you so slow?
It's difficult for me to walk. I'm so huge.
Fine. Venus, stay with Jupiter, and I'll go get somebody. Okay.
Wow, Venus, thanks a lot for staying with me.
Oh, never mind. Excuse me for being blunt, but does that red spot hurt you?
No, not really. But I wonder how I got it. I really didn't notice it before.
I don't know what it is, but it's definitely not a pimple.
Well, it doesn't look like one to me either.
Oh, you can feel the winds coming from it if you get closer.
Well, it makes sense. Jupiter is a gas planet. It has a lot of storms.
Yeah, that's me. It's great that it's not a pimple, but what could it be?
Maybe it's... Oh,
man, what could it be after all? Red, big, windy. We need to think about it.
hello, planets. Oh, hello, astronaut. We desperately need your help. See that red spot on Jupiter? What is it?
It's the biggest vortex in our solar system, or to make it easier, a permanent storm. It's a very strong one, so I won't get close to it.
Oh, so that's what it is. So it's nothing serious.
Nothing serious. For a whole hour, we couldn't figure out that this was just a normal storm. What the?
Here comes this moment again. For a second time this year, the solar eclipses. The solar eclipse is when the Earth will grumble that I'm blocking the light again. Venus will say that I'm beautiful, and Mars, well, it's Mars, so of course he will yell.
Do you remember what day is it today? The solar eclipse will occur today.
Yes, of course I do. I can perfectly well imagine how annoying you'll be today. And you've already started. Oh my god.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but...
Are you out of your mind to talk like that? I called you handsome every single time.
And now you say such things.
And by the way, screw you.
Whoa, guys, easy. I understood what happened here. Is it all in honor of today's beautiful event?
Yes, Earth, of course you got it right, as usual.
Really? Why are you being so mean? Actually, it's Mars's job, so this position is already taken by him. I thought he was gonna yell when he opened his mouth. I also thought about it. Moon, do you even know what causes this so-called solar eclipse and how it occurs?
No, but for your people, it looks like the sun goes black.
Well, yeah, okay. Let me tell you how exactly it happens. As you know, you revolve around me. You constantly reflect the light from the sun in some places, thus making the night a little brighter for people. As for me, I revolve around the sun. Thus you revolve around two objects. You revolve around me, and I revolve around the sun as all the planets do.
What does it have to do with the understanding of the solar eclipse?
Don't rush me. Let me explain to you. And so we spin in a circle, and at some point, a situation like